Hey, hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. Let's learn with Lizzie. Today we are going to study one of the shortest yet deeply meaningful poems from your class 10 English syllabus, Dust of Snow by Robert Frost. Although this poem is very brief, it carries a powerful message about life, emotions, and the healing power of nature. For your board exams, understanding its theme, symbolism, poetic devices, and central message is extremely important, so listen carefully and try to connect emotionally with the poem. Before we analyze the poem, let's understand the poet. Robert Frost was one of the most celebrated American poets. He is especially famous for writing about nature, rural life, and human emotions. What makes Frost unique is that his poems appear simple on the surface, everyday incidents, ordinary settings, but they contain deep philosophical meanings. He believed that even a small natural experience can reveal something important about life. This poem is a perfect example of that idea. Now, let's look at the poem itself. Dust of Snow is a short lyric poem describing a very small incident, snow falling from a tree onto the poet. At the first glance, it may seem insignificant, but the poet shows how this tiny moment completely changes his mood. The poem teaches us that sometimes happiness comes unexpectedly, even from things we normally consider negative. That is why this poem is often interpreted as a lesson in optimism and emotional resilience. Let's read the poem slowly. The way a crow shook down on me the dust of snow from a hemlock tree. Here we imagine a crow sitting on a tree. When it moves, snow falls down onto the poet. Then the poet says, has given my heart a change of mood and saved some parts of a day I have rued. This means the poet was having a bad day, full of regret. But this simple event improved his mood. Keep this emotional shift in mind. It is the core of the poem. Now, let's discuss the central theme of the poem. The poem mainly highlights the healing power of nature. A small natural event changes the poet's emotional state. Another important theme is that small moments matter. We often overlook tiny joys, but they can significantly affect our mood. Also, the poem shows how positivity can arise from negativity. Interestingly, the crow and the hemlock tree usually symbolize sadness or bad luck, yet they bring happiness here. So the message is clear: life can surprise us with positivity even in gloomy situations. Now, let's analyze the first stanza very closely. When the poet mentions a crow, it usually carries negative associations like darkness, mystery, sometimes bad luck. Similarly, the hemlock tree is a poisonous plant, traditionally linked with death or sorrow. So, both symbols initially create a very gloomy atmosphere. However, when the crow shakes the tree, snow falls onto the poet. Instead of worsening his mood, this moment becomes refreshing and uplifting. This contrast is very important for exam interpretations. Now look at the second stanza. The poet says the incident gave his heart a change of mood. That means his sadness or regret disappeared. He also says it saved part of a day he had rued. The word rued means deeply regretted. So clearly he was upset before this happened. This tells us how even a very small experience can transform our emotions and outlook. Symbolism in the poem is extremely important for board exams. The crow represents negativity, gloom, or pessimism. The hemlock tree represents poison, sorrow, or unpleasant experiences. But the dust of snow symbolizes purity, freshness, and emotional renewal. The poet clearly shows that sometimes things we consider negative can actually bring positive change. This deeper symbolic meaning is often asked in the exam point of view. Now let's look at poetic devices. First, the rhyming scheme. A B A B C D C D gives musical flow to the poem. Next comes alliteration. For example, has given my heart. Here in this line, the repetition of the sound H creates rhythm in the poem. Now, moving on to imagery, which is strongly used in the poem, as we can clearly visualize snow falling gently from a tree. And finally, symbolism, as discussed earlier, is the most significant device here. It gives deeper meaning to simple elements. Remember these devices carefully for exam. And then we are having a very important poetic device used by the poet in the poem, that is contrast, where the negative symbol creates positive effect. This can be frequently asked in exams. Now let's move on to the tone and the mood. Initially, the tone of the poem is slightly gloomy or reflective. We sense that the poet is unhappy, but gradually the mood shifts toward hope and positivity. This emotional transformation is the heart of the poem. Understanding this shift is crucial because exam questions often focus on how the poet's mood changes. So, what is the ultimate message of the poem? First, appreciate small moments in life. Happiness doesn't always come from big achievements. Second, nature has a therapeutic effect. It can calm and heal our emotions. Third, always maintain optimism. Even an unpleasant situation can bring unexpected joy. And this is a very important value based interpretation for exam. Now, let's focus on some important questions. Students, you should be ready for questions like: how does nature change the poet's mood? What do crow and hemlock symbolize? What is the central idea of the poem? Explain the poem's message with reference to symbolism. Discuss the role of nature in changing human emotions. Prepare answers with examples and explanations. Don't forget to add text evidences in your exam. This poem also teaches life values. It encourages positivity and emotional resilience. It tells us not to remain stuck in sadness. Sometimes a simple experience, a breeze, a raindrop, or even falling snow can remind us that life still has beauty. So the poem indirectly teaches mindfulness and gratitude. To conclude this poem, Dust of Snow is a short but deeply meaningful poem. It shows how nature influences human emotions and how a tiny moment can change our entire perspective. Robert Frost beautifully conveys that even negative experiences can bring positivity if we are open to them. So always remember, sometimes the smallest moment can rescue the biggest day. That is, even a tiny moment can change your entire day. So that's it for today. Thank you for watching the video till the end. If you like this video, kindly hit the like, share and subscribe button, and see you in the next video. Bye bye.